Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can make a good CapCut edit. So here I'm using CapCut for PC, and after you open it, just import the videos, audios or photos you like to edit and just drag to the track or make a clip. So to make a good CapCut edit, you have to check out the preview panel, timeline, toolbar picture here. You can use all the pictures here and make the best use of the pictures. So you can add the audio, music, sound effect, extract the audio from the video. You can add the text, um, the bold text, effect, text template here, or you can also add the auto caption from your video. And you can add the sticker, effect, transition, filter, adjustment, and also add the animation, make a tracking object. You can remove the background by the cutout option here. You can also change the position and size, add the overlay to blending overlay, and then this is for the add the canvas, add masking, enhance, and many more you can getting from CapCut. So you can see video editing reference in CapCut on YouTube channel. So after you finish editing the video, you can also click the export button in the top right corner. You can change the resolution, bitrate, codec, format, frame rate, and many more. Right, and many more. So um, I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.